Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up VRTK with SteamVR, which will allow you to develop VR applications quickly using Unity. VRTK 3.3, which is the latest version, isn't compatible with the latest version of SteamVR. So until VRTK 4 gets released, we will have to use an older version of SteamVR. That's what I'm going to show you how to set up. In the description I've put a written version of this tutorial with all the links you'll need. First thing you'll need is Unity. If you don't have it already, go on the Unity website and download the Unity Hub. Once you've got the hub installed, you'll need a version of Unity. I recommend using version 2017.4 LTS version. This is the version most compatible with VRTK. After you've installed Unity, I'm going to go to a new project, and I'm just going to call this one VRTK test, and just put it somewhere. Put it in local, there we go. VRTK test. Okay, then make sure you've got the correct version selected and go ahead and create that project. Okay, once your Unity project is ready, you want to download VRTK. Go on the VRTK GitHub page, click download, download zip. And I've already unzipped my folder here. So you want to find that, open it. Inside you'll see assets and project settings. Now what you need to do on your new Unity project, on the project tab, find your assets folder, right click, show in Explorer. Okay, so that's my Unity project folder. Now we need to replace the contents of our Unity assets and project settings with the ones from the VRTK GitHub. So I'm just going to select these two here, drag them across, and say replace, say yes. Okay, now if I go back into Unity, VRTK will start importing. Okay, once VRTK has finished importing, you'll now need the SteamVR plugin. So you want to go in the Valve SteamVR GitHub page, and you'll see at the top there's version 2.01, but we need version 1.2.3. And you need to download the Unity package, you can see here. So download that. And just click on it to open it. It should automatically open within Unity. And once this pops up, just hit import. If this pops up, just say go ahead. Okay, once SteamVR has finished importing, we're going to want to check the build settings. So if you go up here to File, Build Settings, and go to Player Settings, see over here we've got the XR settings. Now, we want to make sure that virtual reality supported is ticked, and that OpenVR is in the STK drop-down menu here. If you want your application to be compatible with Oculus headsets, you'll need to add the Oculus SDK, just like that. Okay, now to check that VRTK is working correctly, we can go into the examples and open one of these example scenes. So I'm just going to open pointers. Now at this point you want to make sure that your VR headset is connected to your PC or Mac. Okay, and if you go and hit the play button inside of Unity, you should find that what's being seen in the game screen is what you see in your VR headset, and you're now ready to begin VR development.